So hi everyone. In this question in this video we are solving a 641 LeetCode question which is of medium level. The question is design this circular array. So circular DQ, sorry, design circular DQ. So before getting into what is, first we will understand what is DQ. Okay, so it is an extended version of Q. Basically, it is an extended version of Q. So moving to DQ, first we will just understand what is the Q. So ah, so a queue is nothing but a pipe kind of data structure. So what is queue? Queue is a data structure. Okay, I think everybody is quite familiar with queue. Okay, there is a certain feature of queue that it will insert the elements from the back. Like if it is the end and if this is start, then it will insert the elements from the end. Okay, and it will pop it out from the back. I think I have drawn it pretty much bad. uh, this should be the start and this should be the end. The element has been inserting from the back. Okay, and it will get into the pop it out from the start. Okay, inserting from the end. Okay, this is end only, this is start only. That's fine. Okay, so this is a queue where the elements are being inserted from the back and it is being popping out from the start. But what is DQ? DQ is just an extended form of DQ is just an extended form of what? Q. DQ is just an extended form of Q. In DQ, the case is that it can be inserted from either from the start or from the back, and and it can be popped out either from the start or either from the back. What was Q? In Q we can insert only elements from the back and we can pop it out or delete it out from the start. But in DQ we can see that we can insert the element anywhere from the back and back or start, and we can pop it out either from the back or front depending on where we had started or popped it out. Okay, so Q is just we can also state DQ as double-ended queue. Okay, it can be also known as double-ended queue. We have the facility to, we have two ends, we can use any of the ends to perform this. Okay, let's see what are the things that I given in the question. So we need to design the implementation of the circular double-ended queue. Okay, we have to implement the myCircular class. Okay, and these all are the functions that we need to do. We have myCircular DQ, boolean insert front, then boolean insert last, boolean delete front, boolean delete last, boolean get front, in front, in get. These are the functions that we need to perform while solving this question. So okay, we will start the function. We'll start from the bool insert front. We'll check the size. If it is greater than equals to k or whatever cap is given, then we'll push the values, and if it is being pushed, we'll print true, otherwise it's false. In terms of insert front, in we'll just check the values and we'll push the values to check whether it is from the last one or not. So these two are quite similar in terms of inserting the front and deletion, inserting from the last, because you have checked it is the property of the DQ that it is double-ended and we can insert from either from the front either from the back, so it's the same case. When it comes to deletion, we can either pop it from front, and we can delete while popping out it. We can pop it out from the front and we can even pop it from the back. Okay, so and if we need to get the front, we need to find the size and we'll just return the front. In that case, we'll get the front. In terms of rear, we want to get there, we just check if the size is valid or not. If it's valid, then we return dq.back. We need to check if it's empty or not. In this case we will just check if the size is equals to 0, then it is empty, that's fine. And if the size is equals to cap, then this means that this particular DQ is full. So in this way we have solved this question. We'll just check whether our code is correct or not. Okay, so one thing we need to keep in mind while solving this question, we should be very much thorough with the concept of Q and DQ. We need to get a proper must be aware of the differences between Q and DQ. The basic differences: in queue we can insert from back and pop it out from the front, but in Deque we can insert it from the back and front, and we can pop it out from start and back. So this was the basic difference. We just submit our code and check whether all the TLEs and all the other steps are clear or not. We'll just do that. That's clear. So we are very much done with this question. So that's it for this one. Thank you.